Hindi pa delayed yung July 6, but
Yeah, July 6 still July 6. July 6 is still the date of the start of the trial proper of the impeachment case. While it may be difficult on the part of the court, on the part of the staff, at this point, July 6 as the start of the trial proper is not yet an impossibility. Tight, but not impossible.
Sir, when is the most na pwedeng mag-pre-trial conference? And hanggang kailan pwedeng mag-issue ng pre-trial order na hindi na-apektuhan yung July 6?
Monday or Tuesday,
the pre-trial
sir.
the pre-trial order.
So the pre-trial conference has to really be concluded this week.
Yes, this week, sabi nga nung nag-aaral tayo, finish or not finish, pass your paper.
Sir, yung just to explain yung dun
O,
sa...
pero biro lang, baka sabihin hindi tatapusin.
just to explain lang yung...
No, I mean, ano?
Yung both sides pwede pa silang mag-comment doon sa pre-trial order?
Yes, yes.
You were saying that.
Based on the notice of pre-trial conference, each side is given 3 days to comment on the pre-trial order.
So if you have the pre-trial order by Monday, they have 3 days to comment.
Yeah.
Tapos July 6 na yung trial.
Kaya pa din yun. July 6 pa, abot pa lang. Kasi yung 3 days naman nila would end before July 6 eh.
Is it possible na mag-trial without
What?
trial? Is it possible to still hold the trial?
We wouldn't want that to happen. We wouldn't want that.
Definitely, sir, sa pre-trial, kailangan lahat ng documents mamarkahan na. Or possible ba
Yeah,
na may mga may...
whatever the councils bring to the table will be marked.
Napag-uusap pa po ba na i-move siya at a later date o talagang July 6 tayo?
Wala pa. There's no other date that is being discussed. It's still July 6.